Hello guys, and welcome back to day 7 of the Countdown to Christmas calendar. So, yesterday we got this nice Christmas package to cover the ugly, disappointing Steamworks whistle box. So, I mean, it looks better this way, I'm gonna say that. And thank goodness it was Christmas related again. So, we will be back once we have opened door 7. Okay, we are back. Embarrassingly, this took me a while to open. But anyway, let's open it. So, in here we have... I'm a bit disappointed by this. If I can get it out, I'm a bit disappointed. We got stock standard cargo car. Sure, it says Santa's delivery coach under it, but still, it's a normal cargo car. I'm disappointed. Actually, I expected better. So right here it says Thomas needs a cargo car to deliver such a wonderful gift. So, I mean, I can understand that, but it's a stock standard cargo car. I'm just not impressed. So that ends disappointing day 7. I will put the present in the cargo car so it looks appropriate to what the flap said. But once again, I have been disappointed. So hopefully tomorrow in day 8 won't be disappointing again. So we will see you then.